Are you a female and looking for a natural solution?
For irregular period, PCOD, PCOS, or any kind of period related problem, painful periods, period cramps, try this therapy where I am going to give you 2 mudras to take care of this problem. First mudra is Apana mudra, which you need to form this way. So you touch the tip of the middle finger and ring finger to the thumb, both hands. So you sit in butterfly pose and form this mudra 5 to 10 minutes in both the hands. And by sitting in butterfly pose, you need to do one more mudra, which is miraculous for these kind of problems. What you need to do? So here we find the point of the uterus. So any problem related to uterus and ovaries, you need to touch the tip of the thumb to this point. Same way, you need to touch the tip of the thumb to this point and you make a fist and you sit in this mudra again in butterfly pose. If you are not able to form the butterfly for so long, 10 to 15 minutes, then you simply sit in cross leg position and do this. You can also sit on the sofa and do the cross leg, but better you sit on the floor and do this mudra in butterfly pose. So after doing this mudra 10 to 15 minutes, and also you can do this mudra in lie down position. So you lie down, form butterfly with your leg and form this mudra in the hand, keep it down on the floor and lie down for 5 to 10 minutes. Form this mudra continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. You can get rid of your all the uterus related problem, ovaries related problem, which can be PCOD, irregular periods, period cramps. Even during the periods you can do these mudras. First one is Apana mudra, second one is uterus acupressure point mudra. If you do these both the mudras in Titli asana or butterfly pose, you will have lot of benefit. So try to form these mudras on daily basis and also try to take care of your sleeping hours. Make sure you sleep 7 to 8 hours, you're sleeping on time, waking up on time. And one more thing I want to add on this, that if you are having any uterus related problem or any period related problem, any menstruation related problem, then try to sit under the full moon light. Yes, moon has a very close connection with the
female's 28 days cycle. So when you have a period related or menstruation related problem, try to sit under the full moon light.
Meditate especially on the day of full moon. So when you do these mudras under the full moon light, you have a more benefits of these mudras. So now whenever you have a next full moon, try to sit under the moonlight or try to have a walk under the moonlight. It will give you lot of benefit. Also, I am give you a recipe of a miraculous water for period related problem, where you need to take a pot, which can be the soil pot or which can be a normal glass pot. Fill some water in that pot or in that jug and keep it overnight under the full moon light. You can cover it with some cloth or just tie the cloth on the opening of that pot and keep that water under the full moon light entire night, and morning when you get up, drink that water entire day. That water is so much miraculous that will take care of your all uterus or ovary related problems. So try these therapies and let me know in the comment box if you're looking for any other solution for any other problem. And if you are looking for any course in acupressure therapy, mudra therapy, then do find the link in the description. Thank you everyone.